A judge will decide today whether to release the names of jurors in Bill Cosby's sexual assault trial. In a motion filed Monday, the prosecution argues revealing their identities could make selecting a fair and impartial jury more difficult in Cosby's retrial. The defense agrees. Under Pennsylvania law, the public has the right to know their names. Jericka Duncan is at the courthouse in Norristown, Pennsylvania, where the sequestered jury deliberated for more than 52 hours. Jericka, good morning.
Good morning. That alternate juror who was not able to deliberate says he would have voted, though, to convict Bill Cosby. Mike McCloskey was among the jurors sequestered. He says their hotel floor was guarded by sheriffs and they couldn't leave. Well, with another trial looming, it's likely a new jury will have to go through that process all over again.
All right, thank you.
Pennsylvania state prosecutors believe releasing the names of the jurors in Bill Cosby's sexual assault trial could impact jury selection in the 79-year-old's retrial. Former prosecutor Dennis McAndrews.
There's a concern that if the public sees a great deal of publicity around the jurors, that it may have an effect on future jurors and create a smaller jury pool of willing participants in the next trial.
Mr. Cosby, how'd it go today?
During the first trial, jurors were sequestered. They lived in a hotel hundreds of miles from home, were only allowed limited cell phone use, and could not discuss the trial outside of court.
The judge every day would walk in and he would pull you in one by one and ask you, did you find anything out?
During a radio interview Monday, alternate juror Mike McCloskey described the bus ride home after the judge declared a mistrial.
Nobody wanted to talk about it. It was complete silence. It was the craziest, eeriest bus ride I've ever taken.
Sequestration is a rare court order given in high-profile cases. Attorney Robert Shapiro was part of O.J. Simpson's so-called dream team.
It's very, very unique to have a jury sequestered during the trial phase itself, and it's rare to have jurors sequestered during deliberations.
Not guilty of the crime of murder.
During Simpson's 1995 murder trial, jurors spent nearly 9 months closed off from the outside world.
When the newspapers arrived in the morning, any article about O.J. had been totally cut out.
Joellen Demetrius, a jury consultant on Simpson's trial, says Judge Lance Ito tried to keep the jurors happy.
He had every fine restaurant in Los Angeles provide meals for these jurors. He also arranged field trips for the jurors. He arranged a trip to go to Catalina for a weekend.
Attorney Dennis McAndrews says even if the names of the Cosby jurors aren't released, their identities are likely to be revealed.
Their family, their friends, their colleagues know they were on the jury. So I think that their identities are going to be learned one way or the other.
Today's hearing will address privacy issues. The concern is that if you make some of those private details, those deliberations public, it may deter future new jurors from serving. That motion hearing is expected to begin at 3 this afternoon. Jeff?
All right, Jericka Duncan. Jericka, thank you very much.